To this day, I still remember the feeling of going to a coffee bar called Black Rock and the terrible feeling that erupted in my stomach. And no, it wasn't because of the coffee. The coffee was really good, but it was because of the price of it. You see, if I had decided to make the coffee at home instead of going all the way to a coffee bar, I would have still had $6 to $7 in my wallet. Today, we're going to be going over things you should definitely not spend your money on frequently so you can grow your bank account and not destroy it. That $5 shirt you bought online, it's falling apart in 2 months, and you'll need 5 more just to keep up with trends. Fast fashion drains your money and clutters your closet while adding zero value. Instead of this, buy fewer high-quality basics that you'll wear 100 plus times. And if this doesn't convince you, the average American throws away 81 pounds of clothing a year. 81. Really think about that. Spending $15 a day on takeout or $6 on coffees adds up to over $4,000 a year. That's an index fund. That's an emergency fund. That's leverage. It's no wonder I felt so bad when I got that coffee. If you're using convenience to mask poor planning, you're paying for it and lost wealth. Here's a solution for you. Cook 4 times a week and brew at home. You'll be shocked at how much you can actually save. Of course, there's nothing wrong with the occasional takeout or Starbucks coffee, but if you're doing it every day, then you're wasting your money's potential. Adding on to that, $5 here, $12 there, and you're subscribed to 4 streaming platforms and 3 fitness apps you haven't used in weeks. These silent spenders can bleed your budget dry. Check your Apple ID, Google account, or bank statement and cancel anything that isn't essential or actually helping you grow. One day I remember checking a billing for a subscription from Apple Music. And guess what? I wasn't even using it. I was using Spotify. Please do not make the same mistake I did and make sure to check the subscriptions that you're subscribed to. Speaking of mistakes, leasing a car for $700 a month just to impress people, well, actually just to try to impress people who in reality don't care, that's the fastest way to stay broke. New cars lose 20% of their value in the first year alone. And you're still paying for insurance, maintenance, and gas on top of all of that. Instead of that, buy used, low mileage, and invest the difference. If your money's not going towards your health, your education, or your skill set, it's probably just comfort spending. And always remember this, comfort will never compound. Invest in courses, books, your business, a gym membership, a mentorship, things that give back over time. Now, this isn't to say you aren't entitled to the occasional want spend, of course. But if you aren't prioritizing your growth as a person, then please reconsider your spending habits. Every dollar is a seed. The question is, are you planting it or are you just eating it? Start tracking your money like it's your future, because it is. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm very grateful you decided to watch till the end of this video. Like always, stay blessed.